Hey everyone, it's Samantha from NextAIVault. Today's video isn't just a review, it's a warning. One of our subscribers reached out with a serious issue, and we had to dig deeper. So here's what happened. This subscriber signed up for a tool called GlobalGPT, promising access to powerful AI models, unlimited prompts, and blazing fast responses. They paid for a premium plan expecting full access for at least a month, but within just one day, they hit a wall. The message? Limit reached. No more generations, no more access. Just a screen asking for more money. They even sent us a screenshot showing the exact error, and guess what? There was no support button, no contact form, not even a help link. The only thing active was the payment button. This is a textbook case of false advertising. GlobalGPT clearly promises unlimited access, but delivers a hard paywall just hours after sign-up. That's not a glitch. That's a trap. If a tool sells you on freedom and then locks you out after 10 prompts, that's not premium AI. That's predatory behavior. And what makes it worse? There's zero accountability, no refund policy, no chat support, no email. You're just left staring at a buy more credits screen. If this has happened to you, drop a comment. You're not alone. And if you're exploring AI tools, do your homework. Stick to platforms that are transparent, supported, and tested. We built NextAIVault to spotlight tools you can trust, not traps like this. So if you're serious about AI, check out our verified list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone before they get scammed too. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.